Hey, we're back in the barn again today. Welcome back for another episode of Farming Cars. If you didn't know, I was gone for about a week. My wife and I, we went with a couple friends for vacation down in Arizona. While I was there, we went to the Mecum auction and checked out a bunch of the cars that were there. So there's an episode on that. If you have a chance, go check it out. It was actually a lot of fun. But back to the project at hand. I ordered some parts for it before I left. They're not quite here yet. They should hopefully be here this coming week. But I decided we might as well make an episode for you guys anyway. I decided what we're going to put in it for an engine. I could have probably put an LS engine in it. I have a couple of them laying around here. I feel like that would have been the easy way out. So you're probably wondering, what are we going to put in this thing for an engine? What's the heart of the C10 going to be? What are we going to put in and give this thing a little personality? I personally like to do things as difficultly as possible, and I like things that are kind of off the wall and a little weird. So I've got the engine all picked out for this thing. I've actually had it for a while. I've been wanting to put it in something. Wasn't sure what exactly I was going to put it in, but I think this pickup is going to be about perfect. So let's check it out. I'll show you what we got. So every old shed in the country obviously is full of old cars. This one's no exception. So let's go check that out. Well, a little snow on the way. There she is, back corner. That means we gotta get all these doors open to get to it. It'll be fun. That's a screwdriver door. Well, here she is, boys and girls. This is the donor for our truck project. She's real nice. All right, so you've seen the donor car, but this is what was in the inside of it here. So this here is it's a 3-liter inline-6 dual Raycam diesel Mercedes. They call it an OM606. Got a nice little bitty turbo on there. These cars come with an electronically controlled injection pump. We're going to switch that out to a mechanical injection pump from a car that's just a few years older. And I'm pretty sure from what I've read with the mechanical pump, these put out about 160 horsepower. But I want to say they're pretty close to like 200 foot-pounds of torque. So it should move the old truck around just fine while it's in stock form. It probably won't stay that way terribly long. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll drive it around this summer and see what we think. There's the adapter plate. I have a little snippet there that will show you on that. So I bought this adapter kit from Doomsday Diesel. What this will do is we put this on the back of our Mercedes engine, and then it basically will convert it so it's the same as a small block Chevy. So we could be able to use pretty much any small block Chevy or big block Chevy transmission that was available. This particular kit is set up for a manual transmission, so it's got adapters in here for the crank, and it'll accept a standard big block Chevy flywheel. This is an NV3500 manual trans out of a older S10 pickup that I had laying around as a spare for one of my others. But with the adapter plate, we should be able to make these all up, slide them in there, and then, well, down the line here, we'll start getting that thing actually in there, and then hopefully we can go have some fun. So we went ahead and put the transmission on the back of the engine, no clutch or anything, just to bolt it together so we could slide it in there and get an idea of how everything was going to fit. As you can see in the video, the oil pan sits pretty much right on top of the steering linkage, so that's not going to work. I ordered a different oil pan for it. That's one of the parts that I'm waiting for. When that comes in, we'll get that all switched over. I'll probably get the clutch put on, get the transmission bolted to the engine, hopefully for good. And then we'll start making some engine mounts and stuff, but you can kind of see what's going on here. I also wanted to say thanks to my friend Mark for helping me pull the engine out of the donor car, and my friend Moose here who's helping me mock things up. And you've seen him in a couple other videos. He helps me out quite a bit. So thanks again, guys. Alright, I don't usually name my cars. I usually just refer to them by the model year, the color, I don't know, whatever engine's in it, if it's got turbo or something, whatever I can come up with. I'm not that creative when it comes to names. We do have a 58 Chevy. My wife nicknamed that one Rosie. Yeah, I know, you'll probably see that later on. We'll make a video on that car too. But for the sake of YouTube, doing something a little different, we're going to try and name this one. And since it's an old beat up truck that's not real pretty, I mean, it's green, the bed's probably going to be yellow. I'm going to put a German engine in it. I think this one's going to be Project Sauerkraut, or SauerkrautC10. I'm going to call this one Sauerkraut because, well, sauerkraut is gross and it's also German, so it's fitting. Yeah, tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Hey there, thanks for watching the videos. This is something new for me. I'm actually enjoying making these videos quite a bit. It's kind of neat just to watch and see how the project comes along with the video. It's a lot better than the picture albums that I used to take older cars or whatnot. Yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends if you like. Well, just share it with your friends. That'd be even better. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow along. We'll keep the videos coming here. Keep the project rolling. I'd really like to have this thing going, sooner the better, but the weather's starting to turn now. It's still spitting a little snow here today, but it's not going to be long. The roads will be dry for assault. We'll be able to get out and start having some fun with, summer type toys or stuff that you just don't want the weather to completely destroy. My main goal for this truck, I'd really love to have it done beginning of June, running, driving, ready to go, no problems, because Hot Rod Power Tour starts, I believe it's the 12th of June, but I already have the week off of work. Hotels are already booked. We're going one way or another, and it'd be really great to take this truck. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can get done here, and as always, have a good one.